Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to import videos in Shotcut. So if you want to import the videos, just simply open your Shotcut app or your on your PC, then click to open file. Then from there, it will take you down to your local storage. So from there, you can navigate and select any folder where you have the video you want to edit. So like I want to highlight on this and this, which is the sample 1 or sample 2. So I'm just going to highlight on it, then highlight on this, then open file, then this will import the video to show that open file. So this has been added already. So that's it, video has been added, and this is the playlist right here. This is the playlist. If you want to add it, that's it. That's how you can simply import videos from your local storage to your Shotcut, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.